Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, pag-aaralan natin kung paano mag-add at mag-subtract ng radicals. First example, 2 square root of 3 plus 5 square root of 3. Okay, so kapag pareho yung radical, so pwede lang natin pag-addin as 2 plus 5 and that is 7. Then, copy lang natin yung square root of 3. Next, 9 cube root of 10 minus 4 cube root of 10. So that is 9 minus 4, that is 5. And then copy yung cube root of 10. Next, 3 square root of 2x plus square root of 2x. That is 3 plus merong 1 dito, that is 4. And square root of 2x. Next example, 2x raised to 3 square root of xy minus 3x square root of xy. So, dahil hindi pwedeng mag-combine tong 2x raised to 3 tapos 3x kasi magkaiba sila ng exponent. So, ilalagay lang natin dito as the quantity of 2x raised to 3 minus 3x. Then, copy natin yung square root of xy. So, ganyan lang mag-add at mag-subtract ng mga radicals kung pareho yung radicand o yung nasa loob ng radical sign. What if magkaiba sila? For example, 9 square root of 32 plus square root of 72. Okay, so kapag ganyan, that is equal to, so 9, copy natin yung 9, and square root of, yung 32, dahil hindi siya perfect square. So, anong gagawin natin? Divide lang natin yan sa pinakamalaking perfect square na pwedeng i-divide sa kanya. Ano nga ba yung mga perfect square? So, we have 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 56, 81, 100, and so on. So, saan dyan pwedeng i-divide? So, pwede natin i-divide yung 32 sa 16, and that is equal to 2. So, we have 16 times 2. And 16 times 2 is equal to 32. Plus, square root of, so ganun din ang gagawin natin. Saan siya pwedeng i-divide? Yes, pwede natin sa i-divide sa 36, and that is equal to 2. 36 times 2, and that is equal to 72. Okay, so we can write this as 9 square root of 16 times square root of 2 plus square root of 36 times square root of 2. Okay, so 9. And square root ng 16 is 4. So that is times 4 square root of 2 plus square root ng 36 is 6 square root of 2. And 9 times 4, that is 36. Square root of 2 plus 6 square root of 2. Okay, so pwede natin pag-addin yung dalawang yan. So 36 plus 6, that is equal to 42. Then, copy natin yung square root of 2. Pareho na silang square root of 2. Next, square root of 32 plus square root of 18 minus square root of 50. So, yung 32, that is equal to 16 times 2 plus square root ng 18. So, saan siya pwedeng i-divide sa mga perfect square? Okay, sa 9. And that is 9 times 2 minus square root of 50. Yes, so 25. 25 times 2. Okay, so pwede natin yung isulat as square root of 16 times square root of 2 plus square root of 9 times square root of 2 minus square root of 25 times square root of 2. And square root of 16, that is 4. Square root of 2 plus square root ng 9, that is 3. Square root of 2. Minus square root of 25, that is 5. Square root of 2. So, pwede nating pag-addin silang lahat. So, that is equal to 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3, that is 7. And 7 minus 5 is 2. So, that is 2. Copy square root of 2. How about this? Square root of 49a cubed b plus square root of 16ab cubed minus square root of 64ab. Okay, so pwede siyang ganito. Square root ng 49, that is equal to 7. How about square root ng a cubed? So meron tayong index dito na 2. And so pagawin lang natin, so ilang 2 meron sa 3. So merong isa. So that is a. So 8 na lang yan. And then ilang 2 meron sa 1. So dito merong 1. Ilang 2 meron sa 1. So wala. So yung makakalabas lang is 7 and a. And then square root of, dahil nakuha natin square root ng 49, so wala na yan. Then a cube, dahil nabawasan ng dalawa, so isa na lang matitira. And then b. Parang minus mo lang to. 3 minus 2, that is 1. And isa lang matitira. Plus 16. Anong square root ng 16? 4. And then a. So 1 lang yan. So hindi siya pwedeng i-divide sa 2. Then 3. 3 divided by 2, that is 1. That is b. Square root of yung a matitira doon, may iwan. And then yung b, meron isang may iwan kasi 2 lang yun. So, minus square root ng 64, that is 8. A, so 1 lang din yan. B, 1 lang din yan. So, that is square root of AB. Okay, so that is 7a plus 4b minus 8. So, that is 7a plus 4b minus 8. So, kinuha ko lang tong dito sa labas. And then, pare-pareho na sila ng radicand. So, that is square root of AB. Next, cube root of 432 minus cube root of 128 minus cube root of 16. Yung 432, alin sa mga perfect cubes siya pwedeng i-divide? So, ano nga ba yung mga perfect cube? So, we have 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, 216, 343, and so on. Okay, so, 432, pwede siyang i-divide into 216. And that is 216 and 216. And 432 divided by 16, that is 2. So, 216 times 2 is equal to 432. How about yung 128? So, pwede siya sa 64. 64, and that is 2. So, 64 times 2, that is 128. How about the cube root of 16? So, sa 8. So, 8 times 2 is equal to 16. So, what is the cube root of 216? That is 6. Then, cube root of 2. Minus cube root ng 64, that is 4. Cube root of, may iwan sa loob yung 2. How about cube root of 8? That is 2. And may iwan sa loob yung 2. So, pare-pareho na sila ng radicand. Pare-pareho yung 2. So, pwede natin silang pag-subtractin. So, 6 minus 4 minus 2 times the cube root of 2. And that is equal to 6 minus 4, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. And 0 times cube root of 2, that is 0. How about x cube root of 250 minus 3 cube root of 16x cubed plus cube root of 81? Okay, so we can write this as, so yung x nasa labas na dati. Then cube root of 250. So we can write this as 125 times 2. Kasi 125 times 2 is equal to 250. Minus 3 cube root of 16. Also, we can write this as 8 times 2. And then yung x raised to 3, lagay pa rin natin. Plus cube root of 81. So that is 27 times 3. So what is the cube root of 125? That is 5. And then, meron pa rin yung x. Then, may iwan sa loob is yung 2. Cube root of 2. Minus 3. And then, cube root of 8, that is 2. So, times 2. Then, anong cube root ng x cube? So, 3 divided by 3, that is 1. So, x na lang yan. Then, matitira sa loob, cube root of 2. Cube root of 2. Plus, cube root ng 27, that is 3. Then, sa loob, may iwan is cube root of 3. 5x cube root of 2 minus 3 times 2, that is 6. Then, copy yung x. Then, cube root of 2 plus 3 cube root of 3. So, pwede nating pag-atin tong dalawa pag may subtraction. So, we have 5x minus 6x. And that is negative 1x. Or, we can just write negative x. Then, copy cube root of 2. Since, iba yung radicand dito sa 3, cube root of 3. So, hindi natin sila pwedeng pag-adin. So, the final answer is negative x cube root of 2 plus 3 cube root of 3. So, ito ang video natin para sa araw na ito. At sana nag-enjoy kayo at may bago kayong natutunan. At huwag kakalimutang mag-like, mag-share, at mag-subscribe at pinutin na rin ang notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bagong video.